Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll share with you how to earn more W coins on Telegram. WCOIN on Telegram is a digital token used within Telegram-based games, bots, or services. Users can earn, exchange, or spend W coins for activities like gaming, accessing premium features, or tipping others. By the way, if you want to play this game too and earn free W coins, check the video description for the sign-up link. There are several ways for you to earn more W coins besides just tapping. First, you can invite friends. Bring mates and earn more. Each new friend nets you 2,500 W coins, 30,000 W coins with premium Telegram users, plus 1% of all their rewards. I invited my brother and he is earning W coins as well. Another way is by doing tasks. You can earn W coin rewards by completing simple tasks. Here, you will see task list. Most of it just gets completed as you play the tap game. Some tasks will need to be done on X or Telegram. You can also use your booster daily. Every day, you are given 3 full batteries and lucky dice as multipliers per tap. Make sure to use them daily. Below will be boosters, like upgrading per tap. As of the moment, I'm at level 11, which gives me 11 W coins per tap. You can also upgrade the maximizer, charger, and multiplier. The most important booster is the tap bot. It farms for you automatically when you are away. Lastly, the easiest way to earn more W coin is by staking it. They have 3 options for staking. A 3-day stake lets you earn 2% rewards, 7-day stake earns 7% rewards, and 14-day stake which lets you earn a whopping 20% in rewards. Look at my current dashboard. I have 3 active stakes for the 14-day staking. With my 1 million plus W coins staked, I get to earn 1 million plus W coins too. So join now and earn free W coin airdrop. If you miss Nutcoin, then you don't want to miss this either. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.